Yo, what's happening my charge people? Welcome back to the channel. On this episode, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be working on the Golf. And what we're doing on the Golf is we're going to replace the fuel filter, because no one really ever replaces them. So yeah, it's about time. It's going to probably be crusty in that. Let's get going. Hit that subscribe button, stay charged yo, and let's do this. Right, first what we want to do, we want to give the car some shove. Let's do that. Shove. Right, once you've given it enough shove, get an axle stand underneath so it's all secure, you know what I'm saying? You don't, yeah, let's not go there. Right, once you got it a little bit sturdy, I've just left the jack on the other side. Here you can see the fuel filter looking proper crusty, and on the new one you can see the arrow pointing that way. Also I can feel like a little lip, which is like that bit, so it tells me it's going to run that way to the engine. So from the fuel tank back there, and then through the fuel lines to the front. We'll get a container underneath the car because there's going to be fuel coming out. We've got our flathead screwdrivers, we'll show you what that's for. But in the meantime, let's just open the fuel cap. And while we're opening the fuel cap, let it decompress if it was any gas in there, but yeah, we're still gonna get fuel coming out of it. So let's go get the container and let's do this. Right, let's just undo this clamp, hopefully quickly. As you can see though, that it's never been removed. Oh my god, this is rusty. Might need to get some WD. Oh yeah, gonna spray some WD-40 on that. Let that soak in, and then hopefully we'll free it up. Right, WD-40'd it up. Tried to get a screwdriver on it, but it's not happening. I've just put a 7mm socket. Let's see the verdict. So far not looking good. Looks like it's just going to snap. Yes, we can replace it, but that looks like the way it's going to have to be, I guess. As you can see, yeah, just going to manhandle it off, because wasting a lot of time on this one little bloody Jubilee, which is annoying me. Obviously I wanted to take it off properly, but it don't want to come off properly. So just do what you gotta do, manhandle it, and yeah, we'll just replace it. Push on that tab like so, and then with the other, alright, let's do with the smaller screwdriver. Yeah, push on the tab like so, and then with the big one just pop it off. Yeah, just like that. And then we can bring the filter down to get to the other tab. Right, the other tab is this one, what sits on top. Right, just try and make a bit of leverage, and then we'll push down on this clip and hopefully lift that up. Well, theoretically it's supposed to be able to. Right, do you know what? On the videos that I see on YouTube, they make it look so easy removing this, but I've been struggling. What a pain in the arse it's been. I think due to it being corroded as well, it doesn't help. Like, if you look at the connection, I kind of mashed it up, unfortunately. The other one came out alright up here, but yeah, let's get the new filter on and fingers crossed that it doesn't bloody leak. Right, here's the new filter. Arrow's pointing that way. Pull off the ends on the ends. Let's push that on. Right, that's clipped in place. Just heard it, thankfully. Push it through. We've got new Jubilee. Get the other end. That's clipped in place. And then let's tighten that up, start her up, and hope it's all good. Right, now we bodged that up. Well, I hope I ain't bodged it up. Let's just put the cap back on, take it out of gear, start it up, and let's see. That's no bloody good. Car don't want to start. No, it's live again. And thankfully, nothing looks like it's leaking. So fingers crossed we're alright this time. But yeah, don't do it the way I done it. If you don't know what you're doing, just take it to a garage, let them do it, because worst case scenario they'll have to replace a fuel pipe and this and that, but it's down to them. Or you could try it yourself, but yeah, I don't know if I'd recommend it. Other than that, if you like this video, or if you don't like this video because I didn't like doing it, don't hit that subscribe button, or hit that subscribe button, and stay charged, y'all. Cheers.